Welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a call link on WhatsApp app. Let's start. At first you have to open your WhatsApp app. In here tap on calls. Then you guys can see create call link. If you tap on here, then you will find this and they will make a link for you. Now you can choose the call type. If you tap on call type, if you want to make a video call, then you can choose video call, or if you want to make a voice call, then you can choose voice call. Now if you tap on send link via WhatsApp app, and you guys can share the link with your friends whom you are connected to through WhatsApp app. If you want to copy the link, then you guys can also do it. If you tap on copy link, then this link will be copied to your clipboard. Then if you tap on share link, you guys can share the link to other apps. So this is how you guys can create call link. See how easy it is. We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.